Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and today I'm going to share with you how you can transfer this cute little dollar spot tiered tray into something fancy with a little bit of paint and some vinyl. So let's get started. Okay, for this project what you're going to do is get a tiered stand from Target. I found this in the dollar spot. You can also get it online in the Bullseye department. And what we're going to need to do is start off by removing the shelves just with a small screwdriver, and then we'll just take both of them off and we'll go on to the next step. So once you have the shelf removed, what we're going to want to do is just apply a couple of coats of paint. This is chalk paint. I just used white chalk paint, and I accelerated the drying with my hot gun. And then the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab our vinyl that we cut with our Cricut, and we're going to go ahead and apply it to this shelf. So what you're going to do is remove the backing from the vinyl. Next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and line this up as close as possible to the edge. Carefully. That looks pretty good. We're going to want to make sure we get all the air bubbles out of it. And then we're going to go ahead and slowly peel back the transfer paper to reveal the design. Perfect. Looks great. Okay, and then now we have the two of them done, and what we're going to do is go ahead and reassemble our shelf. And there you have it, very cute little tiered stand. It went from this plain stand to a fancy, adorable little decor piece. So I hope you like this project. If you do, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.